So today we're going to demonstrate how to set a user up to use eye gaze on the Tobii C12. So the first thing that you want to do is have the patient in front of the device, and we're going to use the track status to pull up this small black box. That's going to tell us where the user's eyes are in relation to the device, and that's very important for them to be able to calibrate and then successfully use the device on their own. So when you pull up the track status box, you're going to see two hopefully solid white dots. If you don't, you're going to want to move the device or move the mount until you do see those two solid white dots. Optionally, you would want those to be in the center of the box, like so. Really looking at two different things. So you want the eyes to be in the center of the black box, and you also notice there's a small arrow moving up and down this colored scale, and you want that arrow to be in the green, kind of right in the center. So we have both the arrow in the green and two solid white dots approximately in the center of the track box. So now you know that the patient is positioned properly to use the device.